How to open a verified PayPal account that could send and receive money. So in today's video guys, I'll be literally teaching you how you could open a verified PayPal account that could send and receive money. So this video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a PayPal account, and also this video is going to be the last video you're going to watch on how to open a PayPal account. And also guys, I'll also be teaching you on how to earn into your PayPal account. So if this is what you would like to see, I would advise you watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video because you might not literally know the time I'm going to teach you on how to earn into your PayPal account once you are done creating your PayPal account. So right now I'll be walking you through step by step on how to create a PayPal account that could send and receive money right here in Nigeria. So once you come over to your Google or your Chrome browser and you type in PayPal, it's going to take you to PayPal/ng, and this PayPal right here is literally limited. Let me literally tell you what I mean by limited. Because right here, the only thing you could do with this PayPal, you could only create a personal PayPal, and this personal PayPal can only send phone. Because right here, you can only send phone and also pay for things online. Guys, this is literally ridiculous. What is the essence of you having a PayPal account whereby you're unable to receive money from international clients, from your friends abroad, from your family abroad? And I know this is what you guys would like to see. So in today's video, I'll be literally walking you through step by step on how to create a PayPal account. And also guys, it's not only Nigeria that is banned from creating a PayPal account. There are several African countries right here which are literally banned from creating a PayPal account. Because right here, these are the African country that are literally banned from creating a PayPal account. So let's come over to this African country right here. Because right here, their only option is creating a personal PayPal account, and this personal PayPal account can literally receive funds. So right now, I'll be showing you guys on how to create a PayPal account. So before I proceed in this video, for those of you who don't literally know what PayPal is, so PayPal is just an online banking platform whereby you have the ability to send funds, you have the ability to pay for things online, you also have the ability to receive money from international clients worldwide. That is the reason why I love PayPal, guys. This with once you have a PayPal account, you can receive money and funds from anywhere in the world. The reason PayPal is literally important is that it's just like PayPal is a bank account for those of you working online. For those of us who we are literally working online, like for example, if you're an affiliate marketer, you're an a YouTuber, a freelancer, you're an entrepreneur who sell things online, you literally need a PayPal account to receive money from your customer, from your client, from your friends abroad, guys. So PayPal account is just like you having a bank account right here in Nigeria that could receive money, and you could also need to pay for things online, guys. So this video is going to be walking you through step by step on how to create a PayPal account. So guys, before I really proceed, if you go on YouTube right now and searching how to create a PayPal account right here in Nigeria, so they will be literally telling you guys to go create a PayPal in the United States of Emirate, the United States of America, is AE. So they'll be literally telling you to change your IP address, this slash ng to AE. So guys, this method is not going to work. It has worked in the past, and right now this method is no longer working again. And also I think another method was you creating a Lesotho PayPal account, and also you creating a Romeo PayPal account. Guys, I've tried this method are no longer working. In fact, I last week I got to create the PayPal account with this method, guys, and my PayPal account literally got banned, and I lost $50 right here in my PayPal account. So actually, a friend of mine called me up and we literally chatted. So he's told me he's gonna send me a fund into my PayPal account, and once he sent the money literally get banned. I just said I should log in into my account, and the money literally got banned. My account got banned totally. I had to lose the money, and even I even tried to create a PayPal account using the Lesotho method right now. So I successfully created the PayPal account. So and I said I should link my bank to this PayPal account. it was not working because you can now literally link your Nigeria bank account to PayPal. So guys, I created a PayPal account. So someone also sent me fund into the PayPal account. That was I think $100 or so. So after I said I should withdraw the money into my PayPal account, the PayPal account got disabled. I had to lose the money. So the total amount I've lost from PayPal right now is close to $150 right now. So to tell you guys shouldn't use any of this method, or you creating a Lesotho PayPal account, creating a United Emirates PayPal account. To tell you this method are no longer working. So that is the reason why I've organized a master class whereby I'll be teaching you guys on how to create a USA PayPal account that could send and receive funds, guys. So guys, in this master class, I'll be teaching you on how you could create a verified PayPal account, a UK PayPal account that could send and receive funds. I'll also be showing you how to get everything you need, how to get a phone number, how to verify the PayPal account that could that's going to be able to send and also receive funds. I'll be showing you how to verify the phone number, how to get everything you literally need to create this PayPal account right now. Actually, I've also created my own PayPal account right now, and this PayPal account has I've been using this PayPal account for the past 5 years right now, and I've able to receive over $50,000 on this PayPal account. To tell you guys, this PayPal account literally works. So this was the payment sent to me by one of the games I played. That was last month. This was the payment sent to me by gaming. So to tell you that I've received a lot of money into my PayPal account right now. So the link to this masterclass is going to be down in the description below. Just click on the first link in the description below, and it's going to take you to the page right here to join the class. So this master class is gonna be an in-depth tutorial. It's gonna be a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a PayPal account. So in this master class, I'll be showing you on how to get a phone number, how to get a UK phone number. I'll be showing you how to get a UK ID. I will show you everything you need to verify your PayPal account right now. Currently, right now, I got over 2,000 students right now who are in the master class right now, and they have all successful create their PayPal account right here in Nigeria, and they are able to send funds, they are able to receive funds from international clients and from all over the world, guys. This PayPal account masterclass is gonna be a detailed video on you creating a PayPal account. And by the way, guys, once you click on the link right now, it's going to take you to this page. So guys, once you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page right now. Because right here, this is the master class right now. All you just need right now is to go to the join master class, and you'll be asked to fill in your details right here. The master class is just 2,000 naira only, which is $4 right now. If you're in the US, it's $4. So once you click on join masterclass, by the way, it's gonna be showing you the amount in your currency right now. It's gonna be showing you the amount in your currency right now. So right now, it's gonna ask you just click on the join masterclass. You'll be asked to fill in your name, your email, your phone number, and then you could then pay for the master class right now. So once you're done paying for the master class, guys, it's going to give you access to the master class. And by the way, there are very different payment method, right? You could pay with your card, you could do a bank transfer, and it depends on any kind of payment method you are using in your country. So once you click on the link right now and pay for this master class, guys, you're gonna get access to the class straight up. And in this class, guys, I'll be walking you through step by step. I'll be doing a practical. I'll be creating a new PayPal account in your present, guys, and also I'll be showing you how to create the PayPal account. I'll be showing you how I'm going to send money into the PayPal account, and also I'm going to withdraw the money straight into my bank account in this masterclass. I'll be showing you guys the practical. I'll be showing you guys. I'll be recording my screen. It's going to be live, guys. It's going to be live. So I'll be showing you guys. I'll be creating a new PayPal account from scratch, and I'm going to be sending in money to the PayPal account, and also I'll also be withdrawing the money into the PayPal account, and also I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw your money into the PayPal account at a very good rate, guys. I'll be showing you how to withdraw your money at a very good rate. Right now, dollars is I think 7.30 right now. To tell you, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your money into your bank account at a very good rate, guys. So guys, I'm going to see you guys in this masterclass. So guys, I love you all, keep winning, and I love you all.